Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Views right now in front of you Canon Pixma G3420 model. And what is the issue with this machine? If I will give copy command, let's see. Okay, I gave the copy command, or if you will print from computer, you will see what will happen. Look, printer is misfeeding, it's getting stuck from that side. Okay, how to fix this problem if your printer is jamming the paper or misfeeding, I will teach you today. You have to open this cover. Something fallen inside from the back. So what to do, you can see paper is getting jammed from here. It's not coming from that side. So I will lift with the help of flat screwdriver. I will lift this up and try to remove anything that is stuck over there. So we'll insert this screwdriver from the downside. You can see I insert this screwdriver from the downside to lift this up. Or if you don't want to do like this, you can lift this up. There is another way. If you are not able to use flat screwdriver, another way I will show you. Take any hard sheet. Okay, I have one hard paper, A4 size of hard paper. I will insert this paper from that side. If anything is over there, it will move back. Or will insert from behind. Okay viewers, this was stuck over there inside. So as I mentioned, now hand became dirty. We have to lift this up to make sure that something has fallen inside. Okay, I entered the hard sheet from the back side. You can see this is the hard sheet. Okay, and I found this part was inside before. So now we will check again, either it's jamming the paper or feeding well. I gave copy command. Now again I will say is it feeding well or jamming. Okay, as you can see, it's feeding the paper very well. Before it was jamming. The issue is resolved and you can see it's working fine. In case if you have any other issue with this model G3420 Canon Pixma, you can ask me down in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. Take care. All the best. Give a super thank as well.